Okay, guys, so basically, my name is Red Lapis, and for some reason, the last two things, I thought I had to... Train, shut up! And I should shut up. Anyways, basically, I have an announcement. I should get it quick, because the last one, it was a long one. It was like 3 minutes long, and I had to delete it. Okay, yeah, there is something... Wait, why is it not zooming in? There is something wrong with me. You see this guy right here? Wrong with me. There's something wrong with me. Without making videos in like a month. I don't know, just because I guess I was just relaxing. Doing nothing. I was just watching YouTube videos. Yeah. So you guys should subscribe to the people down below. I don't know. Definitely go subscribe to the people I subscribe to. They're nice. They're good people, I guess. Whatever. We're going to be getting a bird. No joke, we're going to be getting a bird. Okay, Bella, you are slapping me with your tail. She does this. Hopefully you guys can see this. Bella, do you have any words to say? Are we eating grass? Did you guys see her eating grass? Then kick the like button. Don't just like gently tap the subscribe button, because there's abuse with the subscribe button. But you know, you gotta just hold on. Let me get a soccer ball or something. I don't have a soccer ball. Just kick the like button, and then I'll make more videos about a bird, because I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, guys, we're getting a bird, and they're gonna be parakeets. I'm going to end the video here. Sorry, guys. I know you guys are frustrated. I will get a video out soon. We'll be out, up in track. We might go to Carowinds. I don't know why I'm saying I might go to Carowinds. We're definitely going to go on a cruise soon. So, see you guys later. 3, 2, 1. Why do I give a countdown? Bye, guys. It's already 2 minutes long, so bye. I don't know how this does this.